Right.
Fucking scary. You can go first. You might get the right way. Don't shine your torch on me.
What are you hanging about up there for? I believe these were toilets. Fucking huge, man. Right, so look. It's not a room, it's just a wee room. So you just need to walk dead slow, or else you'll get splashed. This is a lot. It was a lot deeper than what I saw the last time, so.
Is it?
No, it's massive. This might just be one tunnel. I think you go through here and it goes back out the other side. If you look at these wee carts and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, it's just like this. This is a bit of what it does.
And what was that?
Air raid shelter. Yeah. I'm assuming this must have been seating all the way around. There's candles up there. He likes candles. Yeah, that's why I think that they were toilets. There's another one there. Not sure there's nobody in there.
You look then.
That's just a dead end.
Where does that come up?
I don't know. Probably somewhere similar to where we come in, maybe. Nobody there. There's taillights. the end of that one as well. I'm sure there's more than just this. Do you want to get a picture? I'll stop this just now. So much stuff for that headlight bucket there. Headlight bucket, aye, for a car. But why the hell would that be so far down here? Oh, it's a door handle. Yeah. Yeah. That's quite cool. I'm quite aware that the ceiling's quite low though. Bulk seat. Toilet seat. Aye, so that's another one. So I think that's the way we come in. That is because that's where those two wheels are. And that was that empty room. See, my torch isn't doing anything because I'm standing in front of you. Or behind, you're behind in front of there. Shut your mouth, boy. Stop talking. I'll be back collapse there. The old tenants can, look. See the old tenants can. Karen. Karen. Oh, yeah. Karen's a bit saucy.
What's saucy?
Karen?
Karen?
Yeah, she was on that can.
Oh, was she?
Yeah. Many people do you reckon you would get down here?
Oh my god, thousands. And the old farms right next to each other.
Stinking. Going to be able to see that in a minute. Fucking hell, I mean, it just keeps on going, doesn't it? More shovels. Wonder why there's so many shovels in that.
What goes up?
Oh, I think there's got a funny feeling this was another exit. There's some machines in here maybe. Yeah, there's a machine in here.
Is that like an air machine or something?
Yeah. A Blackstone diesel engine.
Yeah.
toilets are. Be stinking, man.
I mean, like there's no hole in the ground, so
No, you'd be
just fill it up.
filling that bucket up, I suppose.
Yeah, it's over there. So beautiful. Are we going out that way or?
No, we'll go back out the way we can. I don't know if I fancy climbing that. Train.
What was in there?
The ground.
No, it wasn't posted.
I don't know actually what's above us. Not a lot. It was just grass and trees on the map. But the fact that it's so like right in town, it's weird, isn't it?
Well, it needs to be though, doesn't it?
I know, but how's it still here?
Because, why would you get rid of it? Could be reused again.
No.
The zombies that were under the cage, under the ground.
Oh. I chose the wet side. Is that a polystyrene chair in it?
It is. There's a room up there to the right.
Yeah. I won't get me to see what it is. Another big corridor. It's just another corridor full of stuff, beer kegs and shit. I can't see. Must have been party time at some point. Must have been party time at some point. Oh, it's collapsed. So I think, and mirror for a car. It's heavy collapsed that. Oh dear. I wonder how far that went. If that was just another way out.
You look behind me in case someone comes and
But if I walk behind you, I can see you. I can't see anything else.
Well, stay a little bit behind me. So there's no view there.
See you later, Karen. Wonder if it was beds on one side and seating on the other.
Oh yeah, probably equivalent to 11.
Nice and toasty, wouldn't it?
Well yeah, but it'd be cold, because it'd be cold air in, wouldn't it?
I suppose it'd be fresh here.
Yeah.
That's you.
That's an old bed.
Yeah. That's us. That is interesting. What?
I'll just go first. I wonder if we have any of these in Johnston.
Well, you would imagine that there must be everywhere. Squeezy squeeze. Oh.